Hey guys, Jeet Banerjee here, and for those of you who may not know who I am, I'm a serial entrepreneur and digital marketing consultant. As you guys can imagine, being an entrepreneur and a marketing consultant, your online image and personal brand is literally everything. That's why I want to give you guys a raving recommendation about my good friend Rafi Chowdhury. I decided to reach out to Rafi when I needed some help in boosting my personal brand and image online. I ordered his service, and not only did he deliver quickly, but he actually provided results and kept the promises that he said he was going to keep. Not only did his article on my name rank on the first page of Google, but it's almost in the top 3 now. In addition to that, Rafi helped me get exposure to my target audience of other entrepreneurs and other business owners with this article that has brought me numerous new clients and sales over the last few months. I want to thank Rafi again for his great service, and if anyone needs help building their personal brand and image, I highly recommend Rafi Chowdhury. Thanks so much, guys.